My name is Anna, and I'm at an age where it's important for me to know and understand myself. I believe with the right means, I can change some things in my life to be happier. Thanks to the journey I've made, I now have a more accurate image of myself. In the past, I often saw myself all in dark. My flaws, my ugliness took up all the space. Sometimes, on the contrary, I saw myself perfect, better and more beautiful than others. I exaggerated my positive sides. But now I see myself as I am, with my flaws, but also with all the positive that I do have. It really feels good. Better knowing myself allows me to better choose my activities and to enjoy them fully as I'm living them. It's really a new way of life where I enjoy the moment. I have passions, dreams, and I take the means to achieve them. I'm deeply involved in my studies. It's really important for me. But all that does not prevent me from having a balanced life where I can also live this little artistic side of mine. In addition, I plan a trip that will allow me to go and meet the world. That will really be great. Working on myself, I've learned to resist pressure from my friends and freely decide what is best for me. It's not always easy. Not easy either to understand my ways of reacting. Sometimes I react very little, nothing touches me. I'm indifferent, a little absent. While other times, on the contrary, I burst. I get carried away for nothing. But now I know the reason. And I'm learning how to better manage these situations. Now I've changed, it seems. I live my life more fully.
It's alright. Sun, here it comes. Sun, here it comes. Sun, here it comes. Sun, here it comes. Little darling, I feel that ice is slowly melting. Little darling, it seems like years since it's been clear. Here comes the sun. Here comes the sun, and I say it's alright.